Did you fight? Did you clash with girlfriends का fathers के साथ? Just as we have in the film. ऐसा कुछ dynamic था life में?
था.
तो बताइए sir.
Hello.
थोड़ा बहुत.
था.
Can you give us a little idea?
Not at all.
No names, no names.
No.
But how did you handle it? आपका real character
Fought and then break up.
fought and break up. ठीक है, सही जवाब? So they're not happy. They want more.
Can't get them more.
Madhavan wants to say something. बोलो. Oh, by the way, you can interrupt each other. इसमें कुछ process नहीं है. Anyone can say anything. You could take Ajay's question also. Rakul, all good, ना? All great. Okay. Sir को एक और मौका? Audience क्या हो गया? पाठशाला नहीं है? Suddenly went quiet. Okay, no pressure, sir. But is there a small story or you want to make up something?
No, I wouldn't want to make up a story.
Okay, no worries. We'll come back to you in a second, no problem. Let's go to my other good friend, Maddie. Can I call you Maddie? मेरा Maddie का पहला मुलाकात I think 1994 में था. You won't remember. It's true. You won't remember. Can we call you the new Zaddy in town?
You can call me whatever you want.
Zaddy का मतलब क्या है? Oh, they like the Zaddy.
I don't know what Zaddy means.
I also not sure. Sir is the first Zaddy. Do you know what Zaddy is?
No, sir.
Zaddy क्या है? Gen Z Daddy. Oh, Paji, perfect. Gen Z Daddy. I think it's the wrong answer, but I don't want to trouble him. जो है वो है. Okay, I have one more good question.
I will love you too, man. Thank you.
Hey. Maddie, why did you bring family members? What's going on? Calm down.
We also love him.
My God. Ajay, let's go. की बात है, अगर याद है तो, you did a shoe ad with two other actors. Santosh Sivan was the director. The two other actors का नाम क्या है?
Priya Gill and you.
It's Sanjay Suri and me. And there was no Priya Gill, you naughty rascal.
No.
लड़की नहीं है उसमें. There was only 3 men running with.
It was a ad with Priya Gill and you and other guys were there. But it was an ad with Priya Gill. The only ad I did with Santosh. तू मेरा डेटा को मत यार धुकार दे यार क्या कर रहा है?
I can't believe Google it right now. There's no Priya Gill. I swear by God.
But we have to talk about Dede Pyar De now. Come on.
Back to Dede Pyar.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about the lovely dynamic between you and Ajay. Which was hilarious, by the way. Give a big hand, guys. What you saw there. It's going to be absolutely fascinating.
It's as I've said before, when you go onto the set, you judge how much you're going to enjoy doing the film by how long people stay after the backup. On this set, with Ajay sir leading it and Anshul directing it, and with Love and the entire gang with the creative responsibility, it was very rare to see people running off after pack-up. Everybody used to stay back and wait and chat, and for me, that's a sign of people enjoying themselves, and I'm very sure that people will enjoy this movie with Ajay. Huh?
In fact, we used to get back to the hotel and again sit together, all of us.
That is correct. He shot abroad, and still, I mean, we couldn't get enough of each other. That is.
So basically, एक room काफी है यार. वो producer साहब, why do we waste money on separate rooms? हाँ, एक hotel. All right, Maddie का support system. I feel it's paid for. I'm
totally, brother.
Okay, let's go to Rakul Preet. Rakul, can I call you Rakul?
Yeah, call me Rakul.
Or do I say Rakul Preet?
No, actually Rakul.
Rakul is better. Rakul, better chemistry किसके साथ? अजय और मीज़ान?
Now for that you have to watch the film.
नहीं ये आंसर अलग आंसर है. वो आर्ट की आंसर नहीं, रियलिटी की आंसर है. दोनों.
But how can I say?
Ajay is looking at you right now.
The audiences have to say it, so you guys have to.
So that we know, the audience will enjoy the chemistry for sure. We saw on the trailer, it's fantastic, no question. Magar, kintu parantu, if you had to choose the chemistry between the two actors in real life.
No, I think I share a very good chemistry with both.
Miss India का आंसर आ गया.
हाँ, मतलब I think I can have a great chemistry with everyone.
Okay, Loveji, I should back off ना. या और पूछो. Huh? It will become awkward. Sir, हाथ ऊपर कर यार. Don't sit like this. I feel very uncomfortable. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey. Wait. Maddie का support group है Rakul? Oh, पंगा चालू. All those for Maddie shout. Rakul?
But let me tell you, Maddie is my father in the film. So Maddie's support group or mine, it's coming to the same family.
की चीज़ है. Yeah,
so
right,
it doesn't matter.
This woman should have been a lawyer. I feel he's wasting talent. All right, let's move on. अरे बाद में love करो ना. Right now we are in the middle of conversation. My God, people are unbelievable. Rakul, who worst moment on set? What is the worst moment on set?
Oh, there wasn't.
Okay, best. Then.
Huh? The pack up, possibly. Yeah, I think he's right. Because honestly, when the film packed up, all of us were feeling so sad that this is the last day. Oh my God, we're not going to have our chill sessions.
Prequel भी होगा.
वो तो अब यही बताएंगे.
हो जाएगा. If he stops chatting with his producer friends and comes back on stage in a minute or two. Okay, so the best moment?
Best moment, I think the entire film, yeah, journey. I think the bond that we all have created over this film's journey is just beautiful.
Not since Priyanka Chopra have I heard such answers which are perfectly in the middle. Not off stump or leg stump. Just played the ball perfectly. Well played. One of the greats. When the history of Indian entertainment is written down, one of the greats of all time, complete all-rounder, Javed Jaffrey. I'm a big fan.
Thank you, sir.
Maddie ka support system, you can't come to this side now. Stay there only. Kya baat hai. That's why we have 1.6 billion. Stop loving so much. जावेद एंड मीज़ान एक सीरियस क्वेश्चन दोनों एक साथ एक घर में रहते हैं ना तो ऑब्वियसली डिड यू शेयर कन्वेंस और डिड यू टेक टू कन्वेंस बिकॉज टेक्निकली दे शुड हैव वन कन्वेंस अगर एक घर से आते हैं सेट पे एंड गोइंग बैक इन द सेम कार सो आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग इट आउट देयर व्हाट डू यू से वुड यू लाइक
नहीं बचपन से बेटा है वो अलग बात है बट फिल्म में आने के बाद he's got his own identity and I'm glad and he works his own way I work my way so गाड़ी में आने की जरूरत नहीं producer was very generous he said 2 गाड़ी ले लो तो
wow excellent sir
very fantastic producers
next time मैं अकाउंट्स करते हूँ आपके लिए
हाँ मुझे 2 दी थी एक्चुअली
मीज़ान
मैं दोनों पे आया था
where have we seen that scene before यार
I wonder
okay Mizan give me 2 minutes I'm 54 यार अजय देवगन का इंट्रो सीन चुरा लिया गर्लफ्रेंड भी चुराई लिटिल बिट डेंजरस आई वुड थिंक व्हाट आर योर कमेंट्स
A little bit dangerous, but also a lot of fun. And at the end of the day, I'm just really grateful that I was given the opportunity to do that. And Ajay sir is one of the most lovely people I have ever worked with, honestly. And
Yeah, man.
genuinely, yeah, so grateful to be working with him. And they all, I'm the youngest on set, and they all came to my support. They helped me in every single scene. Even जब मैं वो split कर रहा था गाड़ी पे, Ajay sir came and helped me with my harness on that. So really grateful.
और अजय सर ने क्या कहा how many marks did he give you
Love you guys. Thank you so much. But thanks. You'll have to ask him. You'll have to ask him.
how was it Ajay
no you did it very very well
yeah
didn't take too long also
एक if you don't mind एक सवाल एबडी का था तब
नहीं actually वो जो harness था.
जावेद
no he just asked him to split
don't worry nobody was injured in the process daddy से tips मिला या नहीं how does it work father and son
ये टिप्स नहीं है टी सीरीज है
prequel में lead role well played Javed just tell us a little bit about who are you supporting your son or your friend your character rather picture में
इन कैरेक्टर तो ऑब्वियसली आई एम सपोज्ड टू सपोर्ट माय फ्रेंड बट हमारा एक जो रिलेशनशिप है अमेजिंग काइंड ऑफ अ लव नहीं अजय के साथ हाँ बिकॉज ये अजय हैज लाइक इन द फिल्म आई एम सपोज्ड टू बी हिज बेस्ट फ्रेंड आई एम ऑल्सो अ साइकाइट्रिस्ट हु नीड्स अ साइकाइट्रिस्ट हिमसेल्फ तो वो जो रिलेशनशिप है दोनों के बीच में amazing chemistry the way it's written the lines the way love and the writers have written fantastic lines the both of and you'll really enjoy it on the screen तो जिस तरह से एक relationship दिखाया जा रहा है स्क्रीन पे मीज़ान obviously so you really don't know मैं इसको सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ या इनको because आप जब डायलॉग सुनेंगे तो वो उसमें काफी तीखापन है so I think it's fabulously written script and at least my character I totally enjoyed it
but जावेद ये psychiatrist की बात अगर किया इसमें तो why is the P silent in psychiatrist
Why the P silent?
हाँ वो साइकाइट्रिस्ट में P है पहला फिर
साइकाइट्रिस्ट
होता है
नहीं पहले पिसाइकाट्रिस्ट था अंग्रेज लोग ने चेंज कर दिया बोला
अच्छा so please remember ladies and gentlemen psychiatrist है
पिसाइकाट्रिस्ट
good to know
that's
good to know
yes
ठीक है
like tongue you hold your tongue you
बस stop it there before we say something wrong Gautami ji can I but he's calling you mummy ji and bhabhi ji and all what is wrong if I say हाँ तो ये फिल्म की इफेक्ट बहुत स्ट्रांग है when you come out you start thinking like that it's normal So I have a question for you. TV set या film set? कहाँ पे gossip ज़्यादा है?
Gossip हर जगह होती है, हर set पे होती है.
But if you had to choose.
हमारे set पे नहीं हुई because like she said we really got along very very well, so there was no chance of any gossip, unfortunately.
हमारे सेट पे गॉसिप इसलिए नहीं होती थी क्योंकि जिसको जिसकी बुराई करनी होती थी एक दूसरे के मुंह पे करते थे.
Yes.
चलो ठीक है. एक example कर लो यार. Would you like to?
यार जब लोग हमेशा
Just
साथ
giving me
होते हैं,
30
ये लोग साथ खा रहे हैं, साथ
नहीं साथ खा रहे हैं, साथ पी रहे हैं. उसके बाद तो 2 ड्रिंक के बाद तो एवरीथिंग इज
This you're not
हाँ,
supposed
पर
to-
We have to know more. We have to know more.
This you're not supposed to say. You know, कि 2 drink के बाद. You're not
दो
supposed
ड्रिंक के
ठीक
बाद.
होता
No drinks on set. It's all lassi. 2 drinks, all lassi, ना? Nobody drank anything else.
लेट्स सी वेयर यू गो अहेड विद दैट.
सर सब लाइव चालू है. पता नहीं दूसरे देश में. We have to be very careful. But before we go, I have one request, Gautami, because can you have your phone?
No.
अरे फोन कहाँ है? Just give her the phone now. Fast. We don't have time, यार. People have to go home. जल्दी करना पड़ेगा. Can you call Ram? I want to. I'm a Ram fan.
Excuse me, but
Call-
you come for De De Pyar De too. So
हाँ,
I
हाँ.
take offense. So you better talk
But I
about
can't say
me
hello.
and my film, not about Ram. Okay?
Wow, मम्मी जी. थाक मैंने को मारा. I feel slapped on the face twice.
I have my own identity. Okay?
Okay. Wow, मैंने
Thank
क्या? ये सबसे गलत question. I'll never do this again. Oof. This is worse than my wife. All right, just kidding. Oh, we have Anshul. Guys, the director, I'm covering him all the time. Anshul, please come forward. Yeah, Sir ji ka vision hai. Let's not forget this lovely trailer we've seen and the full picture. So the question is slightly a formal one. क्या pressure बहुत था obviously. I mean by name, these big name actors, sequel of a super hit film. But ये मत बोलना कि hoping all this and to have a second success.
या प्रेशर तो डेफिनेटली था और मेरे पे नहीं, सब पे जो टेक्नीशियंस थे उन पे भी था. बट जब
सर का मतलब है सर पे प्रेशर नहीं है. ओनली कैमरामैन एंड ऑपरेटर्स आर टू ब्लेम फॉर एवरीथिंग. फेयर.
नहीं सब पे प्रेशर था. बट जब सपोर्ट मिला अजय सर और बेडी सर की तरफ से सपोर्ट और जो ट्रस्ट इन्होंने दिया तो फिर वो प्रेशर फील नहीं होता.
फेवरेट एक्टर कौन है?
सभी फेवरेट.
अरे सबका एक ही जवाब है. सब इतना प्यार में कभी मिला नहीं लाइफ में. यू आर अनबिलीवेबल. बट इट्स गुड. कैन वी हैव मैडीज ग्रुप शाउटिंग फॉर अंशुल प्लीज? And shouting for everyone? Okay. Abhi, let's call on stage. सबसे important लोग, the people with us. Love Ranjan ji. Big hand, Love Ranjan. मैं करता ना, मैं कर order of appearance sir. Order of appearance ये ले. Yeah. Next, can we have Bhushan Kumar?